will show you an experimental and new experimental property that we have introduced for external TCGS, and this is clean command. So the request, the reason for adding this new field for external TCGS is that actually external TCGS can do anything. It's not always make or clean, but these commands that are used in external TCGS, in external transformation configuration, they actually can be any command, not necessarily make command. You can, like this for testing, I have added this echo command. You can also have some script invocation. You can have some make dirs or some copying. So it's not necessarily a make command. And that's why clean command is not necessarily a make clean. Which we assumed by default in the previous versions of the tool. We were trying to generate make clean and extract a make command from build command and append a clean to the build command and use it. So now we are not doing that anymore for TCGS, and we have introduced an explicit field called clean command, where you can state explicitly how your clean should look like and what it should do. So as I mentioned before, it can be any script, for example, or any other command. It's not always make clean. This clean command, it will be generated into batch.mk, and this is how it will look like. So I will now call build. And in the generated code, for the top TC, we're generating batch.mk, which actually is responsible for building and cleaning all TCGS in your dependency chain. It's not only the current, it's not cleaning only this current TC, but batch.mk is responsible for all, for current top TC and also for all prerequisites. And this is how it looks like. So this is a section that is responsible for clean, and here you see that these clean commands, they are generated into this clean section. Also, there are some additional information messages which are also generated, and then they are printed when you're running clean, is this one. So clean command is not specified for external library TC, and this is generated in case your TCGS has a build command but does not have a clean command. In that case, you will get this just information message saying that build command was specified but clean command was not. This is also denoting that there is a space for clean to be executed. So if you want to specify a clean command in pair to your build command, then you can do it in the property. So this was generated for this external tool where you have oh no, not for external tool. This was maybe for, it was stated, I think it was external 3. Let's check it. Yeah, it was for external 3. So it is stated for which TCGS you have it. So if I open this external 3, then I see that here I have some build command, but clean command is missing. And vice versa, if you have a clean command, but your build command is missing, then you will get a similar message, but during build. So I would like to mention that this is an experimental feature, and currently these clean commands, they are inserted only into batch.mk. We also have this make file, which is responsible for building this particular target project. And if you will run clean from this make file, then if you have any prerequisite external TCGS, then clean that external TCGS, we will not execute a clean command for that external TCGS. So now it is only available in this batch.mk. And mainly batch.mk is used from command line. And so if you want to see how this build and clean will look like, so you can run it this batch.mk, use batch.mk and run build and clean from command line, and this is how it can look like. So I will now open a command line. So it was unit 1 target default. It was here. So I will open CMD, and here I will first. So I will run build through batch.mk, and now I will run clean through batch.mk. And you see that this external clean command, it is executed, and also information messages, if clean command or build command is missing, they are also printed. If you want to see it from the tool, currently it is not implemented yet. So from the tool, the only way to see this is to use batch.mk for building and for cleaning. And in that case, you can manually specify a build target. For example, if you want clean all, and then build target will be clean, and builder will use -f batch.mk. So this is currently the way how to see this from the tool. So I have introduced this build target. I called it clean all. So now if I did not mix anything, then it will be working. Yes, so you see, this is currently how you can use it from the tool. We will continue working and developing this feature. And one of the things that will be supported is running clean explicitly on this external TCGS. So now if you will run clean on external TCGS, this clean command will not be picked, and actually for external TCGS nothing will be executed, and this is expected. So because this is an experimental feature, and we will continue improving this feature during next sprint.